My name is Judith Payton. I'm an Associate Design Director at Philips Experience Design, where I'm leading a team of UX designers that is focused on professional healthcare and on the design system. Being part of the UX design jury is for me a great opportunity because you really get insight in the different applications that are being sent towards the UX design awards. And I really enjoy to work together with a team of different people with different backgrounds, different experiences, and really start looking into the details of the different applications that has been sent and really start identifying what good UX is. A good UX design means for me that you're really focused on the key audiences, and that means you understand the user, you know the context of use, and you also clearly start addressing all the user needs that are being brought to you. The way how you do that in addressing this is particularly looking into details of your audience. For example, for professional healthcare, that means that you need to be way more focused and it needs to be seamless actually, so the user almost shouldn't notice the steps that he's going through. While on the other hand, when you design for a consumer, it needs to be way more engaging and inclusive. So it's completely different, and that's very important for me to start understanding your key audiences. Indeed, one of the points I will be looking at is it very clearly that the needs of the key audience has been addressed? Is it a holistic solution? So are all the different touch points connected with each other and are they presented well in the solutions? And a third point is really like, have innovations being used that are really bringing the solution to the next level? So what I find particularly interesting in seeing in the submissions is that you start seeing the process. How did you get to that solution? What were the steps you were taking? What kind of tools you were using? Are there sketches being made? Have you user tested? What has happened when you were creating this solution? What I find a good example of UX design for me at the moment is actually Miro. Because if I look to my team and also look to my team in the past year, we had to work a lot of online, and using Miro really stimulated the team in working online, but even coming up with new ways of working. And it was very engaging to see the team changing into that mode while we were using Miro. So that is for me a great user experience of the past year actually.